Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly B-boy tutorial. And today I'm going to teach you guys some cool transitions from standing up to footwork. But this kind of transition is kind of different than the others because you're not gonna using any of your hand, or you can also call these transitions the no-handed transitions from standing to footwork. So along the way on these transitions, I'm gonna incorporate some move which leads you to the footwork transition itself. But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new videos coming out, you're gonna get notified. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right onto it. So first step, you're gonna do a knee swing, okay? You're gonna put your right knee on the ground and you're gonna swing your left leg to the left side. Okay, one more time. Right knee on the ground, left leg swing to the left. Now, while your left leg is continuing swinging to the left, you're gonna bring your right leg up so that your left leg is gonna go through your right leg. Alright, now I'm gonna show you guys. Again, first step, look at my right leg. Right knee on the ground, left leg swing, alright? So when your left leg keeps swinging, bring your right leg up so that your left leg can keep swinging onto your right leg. From there, put your right leg on the ground. It's like you're doing a knee drop, okay? Then keep your left leg swinging and out. Starting from step one, right knee down, left leg swing, bring your right leg up, keep swinging, place your right foot on the ground, and then now your right leg is gonna go through. At this point now, it's just a matter of where you want your left leg going. If you want to let your left leg keep swinging and go into footwork, you can do that, but now I'm gonna show you guys what I usually do. Alright, so what I usually do is after I do the step one until the last step, alright, I'm gonna kick my left leg, which is the swinging leg, out and press it back down to the ground. Alright, so out and press it back down to the ground. At that point, I'm gonna do a little bit of jump. Alright, jump. Now the last step that I usually do is gonna swing or wrap around my right leg onto my left leg and then knee pose. Starting from this step, left leg swing out, jump, pose. Now let's combine all the steps from the start until the very end. I'm gonna do it very, very slow, okay? So, 1, 2, 3. Down, swing, jump, pose. There you go, the no-handed transitions from standing to footwork. And as you can see, it doesn't take a lot of strength, instead it takes a lot of balance to do this kind of transitions. So don't worry about it. A few times at first, you're gonna feel a little bit unbalanced, but just keep practicing and you should be fine. That's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, let this video give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.